Hi there, Mark from UK EDC. Some good news. Andrew from MRF Multitools has kindly sent this as a giveaway for Christmas on behalf of his company via my channel. So this is the Universal 3.0 from MRF Multitools. I've reviewed this before, so have a look on my channel and you can see that. There's going to be a two-part question, which I'm going to ask you at the end of this short video. He also sent me these to review for you as well. This is called the Lumberjack, which is essentially a beard comb with a few gadgets on there. Quite liking that in titanium. Also a pry bar as well. They started manufacturing those. Lots of designs, very, very useful and practical. And the last thing he sent me, which I'm really excited to review, is this is his Adventure 3.0. As you can see, you've got a detachable arrowhead in there. It's got a hand in the back and you can turn that into a hatchet, a kukri, a knife, a spade, many, many things, but I'll review that one outside. You can even stick this on the back of it and turn it into a catapult. So I'm really looking forward to reviewing those three items for you guys. If you want to be in a chance to win this, I've got two questions for you. The first one is, where are MRF Multitools based? In which country? And the second question I want you to answer is, if you could have any piece of EDC for Christmas, what would you like? So two answers I want. What's your favourite EDC, or what would you like? And where do they manufacture MRF Multitools? So this competition is going to end next Sunday, the 6th of December 2020 at 6 p.m. and then I'll do a live draw. So thanks very much for Andrew at MRF Multitools for sending these to me to review for you. And more importantly, this Universal 3.0 could be yours by answering those two questions. Looking forward to doing the draw next Sunday at 6 o'clock on the 6th of December. Take care, good luck, peace out, much love.